students, this is KSR Sir Chemistry. Today we will discuss about ionic product of water. Okay, already we know pure water is the weak electrolyte. Pure water is weak electrolyte. That means it ionizes to small extent and producing hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions. Okay, the self ionization of water is represented by H2O, H plus concentration plus OH minus ions. This is the self ionization of water. Here, equilibrium constant was given by equilibrium constant K is equal to product of the concentrations of the products divided by the concentration of the reactants. Okay. Here K into H2O concentration is equal to H plus concentration into OH minus concentration. Here the concentration of H2O is taken as unity because this is weak electrolyte. Already we said this is water is the weak electrolyte. So the concentration of H2O taken as unity. Okay. Since ionization of water is negligible, so it is taken as constant. Taken as constant. That's why new equilibrium constant, that is Kw, that is equal to H plus concentration into OH minus concentration. Okay, here Kw is the ionic product of water, that is equal to the product of the concentrations of H plus concentration and OH minus concentration. Okay, at 25 degrees Celsius, Kw is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 14 mole square later inverse minus. At 25 degrees Celsius, Kw is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 14 mole square later inverse minus. This is the constant value at 25 degrees Celsius. Okay. See. See students, here in pure water H plus concentration is equal to the OH minus concentration at 25 degrees Celsius. So Kw is equal to either H plus concentration whole square or OH minus concentration whole square. That's why we find out H plus concentration, that is equal to root of Kw. Kw value is 1 into 10 power minus 14 mole square later inverse minus 2. That's why H plus concentration is 1 into 10 power minus 7 mole inverse, mole later inverse. That is also OH minus concentration. Okay. Ionic product of water is also applicable to ionic product of water is applicable for all aqueous solutions. All aqueous solutions. Knowing either H plus concentration or OH minus concentration, Kw is calculated. Okay. Simply Kw is equal to H plus concentration into OH minus concentration. Here H plus concentration is equal to Kw by OH minus concentration. In the same way, OH minus concentration is equal to Kw by H plus concentration. Here Kw is the constant ionic product of water. So based on this, aqueous solutions of various substances can be divided into three parts: neutral solutions, basic solutions, and acidic solutions. Okay. For neutral solutions, H plus concentration is equal to OH minus concentration, that is equal to 10 power minus 7. For acidic solutions, H plus concentration is equal to greater than 10 power minus 7. For basic solutions, H plus concentration is less than 10 power minus 7. The OH minus concentration greater than 10 power minus 7. Okay. Observe. Observe the problem. At certain temperature, the proton concentration of pure water is 2.5 into 10 power minus 7 molarity. What is the hydroxyl ion concentration? That means OH minus concentration. And what is the magnitude of Kw? Kw we should find out. Already we know that in pure water, for pure water, H plus concentration is equal to the OH minus concentration. Okay. Here already proton concentration means H plus concentration was given. H plus concentration is equal to 2.5 into 10 power minus 7 molarity. By using KWL, Kw is the constant at 25 degrees Celsius. 1 into 10 power minus 14. Okay. At 25 degrees Celsius. But here OH minus concentration, H plus concentration is equal to the OH minus. That's why OH minus concentration is equal to same value 24.5 into 10 power minus 7 molarity. What is the magnitude of Kw? Here Kw is equal to, here at certain temperature Kw is equal to out of H plus concentration into OH minus concentration. That's why Kw is equal to 2.5 into 10 power minus 7 molarity into 2.5 into 10 power minus 7 molarity. That is equal to 6.25 into 10 power minus 14 molarity square. This is the Kw value. Okay. Observe the problem. For pure water, H plus concentration is equal to the OH minus concentration. H plus proton concentration was given. By using proton concentration, automatically OH minus also same value. By using these two values, Kw should be calculated. Okay. So next problem. The ionic product of water is 10 power minus 14 was given. Already this is the constant value. The H plus concentration, hydrogen concentration in 0.1 molarity NaOH. Here H plus concentration we should find out. Here NaOH means basic solution. Basic solution means OH minus concentration was given. That is equal to 0.1 molarity. That implies 10 power minus 1 molarity. By using ionic product of water constant, Kw is equal to 10 power minus 14. By using this, H plus concentration must be equal to Kw by OH minus concentration. It implies 1 into 10 power minus 14 divided by 10 power minus 1. That is equal to 10 power minus 13. That is the H plus concentration. This type of problems was given in JEE Mains, IIT and NEET programs. Okay.